rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here with another takeover of Gary's Rants and Raves video cast, and I'm here with Tommy Plummer of SYNNEX. How's it going?
Hey, it's going great, Steph. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for hopping on. So we are here to talk about a very specific thing. TD SYNNEX has a very exciting event coming up. So tell me a little bit about it, because it's kind of a can't miss event. And it's especially exciting for us because it's a little bit of a drive away rather than a plane ride away. So Tell me a little bit about it.
So it's our InVision event. It's the first time that we've ever done an event like this. But so we have an advisory council, and so we always think that we come up with good ideas, but then we bounce them off of our advisory council to make sure that that they are good ideas.
They're actually good ideas.
Right. And it just kind of seemed like there was a need for an event like this, right? Because it is, especially as a sales professional, right? Like I've been in sales for 25 years. And there's no sales training classes available in our industry, right? There's a lot of technology and a lot of all of that, right? Like best practices there, but there's no real, there's no real sales training specifically geared around, AV.
Right.
So we ran it by our advisory council. They seemed super excited about it. And plus, it's an opportunity for sales professionals in the AV industry to get in front of 30 vendors and network with 30 manufacturers, and then also the TD SYNNEX folks that are going to be there. And, there's a lot of things that we do that are not, this is not distribution from 30 years ago, right? It's not just pick, pack, and ship. There's a lot of things that we do that we can help enable our customers to sell more and to sell at a higher profit and to sell in different verticals. That I think a lot of that gets lost in the day-to-day. So I'm really excited to be able to showcase to the actual sellers that are out there selling every day all of the resources that they have at their disposal because their partners would have partnered with us.
Yeah, so. No, that's awesome. And it's a 3-day event. It's September 12th through 14th. It's in Charlotte, North Carolina. So since it's a 3-day event, can you tell me a little bit about what's going to happen over those 3 days? I know you mentioned a lot of networking opportunities, a few classes. What else can people expect if they attend?
First of all, it's a TD SYNNEX event, right? Like, so it's going to be fun. And it's going to be informative, right? So there's, when we kind of striped it out in our head when we were trying to, come up with this event, right? Like, so basically we're going to have some keynote speakers, right? Like Gary's going to be a keynote, and then Brent Adamson, who who kind of co-authored the Challenger sales process book. He's going to be there. I've talked to him several times. I'm very excited to hear him speak and hear his take on storytelling, sales with storytelling. So that's going to be good. And then also, there's going to be a lot of CTS RU credits that are going to be available, but it's almost going to be like if you picked like picked your college courses, right? You can go to this event, you can go to that event. But you're going to leave there with an enhanced knowledge of sales and I guarantee you everybody that goes is going to learn something. That I can assure you, and that I have told everyone that I've invited that if whoever they send, it's going to be time well spent, and that it's an investment that they'll get back a lot of ROI for.
I like the choose your own adventure aspect.
Yes.
Like no matter what, you might not be all in the same classes, but no matter what you do, you're going to come out of there with some type of knowledge you didn't have before. Right. So last kind of question for you is, where can people find more information? Where can people register to attend? Where can people do all that?
So I think we may have we may be able to put the registration link out on your site. They can certainly email me at thomas.plummer@tdsynnex.com, and I will gladly, or reach out to your sales rep. They all know about it, but yeah, absolutely. We're very excited. And like I said, hopefully it's going to go very well and, create a lot of demand in the market, and we'll be able to do it every year. So
that's awesome. Can't wait. So excited that you guys are doing that. Thanks again, Tommy, for joining this episode of Rants and Raves.
Hey, thanks for having me. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Rave Radio with Rants and